Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To explain this concept, I have to question you once before we start. See, the question is very simple and small. You have to tell me what you call a simple figure or a diagram that shows step-by-step approach. If you are able to answer me, then you will be able to crack the questions during the exam. Till then, hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. I will answer you post this small intro video. Still thinking, or have you answered it? So yes, the answer is flowchart. So basically, we have also studied this kind of question during our school days. We are given a small diagram, or it can be a table wherein certain steps are given, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the step contains 1 to 2 sentences max. So in IELTS, we are given a passage under the reading section, and then the consequent question is flowchart based. Herein you will see there will be 3 to 5 steps, for example, and in between those steps there will be blanks that you need to fill. So for doing this, there are a few requisites. First of all, what you need to be aware is you have to firstly read the questions. That is step 1, which will be given in a tabular format more often. So once you know what the first starting statement is, go to the passage and start reading it. Once you read and you reach the line which the question is asking, you have to stop there. From there, you have to read more diligently, carefully, so that you do not skip on any word that is asked in the question. Make sure the fill-up word that is missing in the question, you get it exactly in the passage and it will be there. So carefully scrutinize, that's called reading it more diligently, and try to pick that correct word and fill up in the first question. Move to step 2, and now the second requisite is you will always find the next question's answer below the first question's answer. So where you left reading, start reading from there. The answer will never be above that, it will always be below that. Maybe just next line or maybe after one para, it depends. So start reading from there. So these are the simple 2 requisites. See, for these questions, these are not unique, very unique. You have actually read about these questions in sentence completion. So these questions are more or less same. The only difference is you get a step-by-step approach in flowchart based questions, whereas in sentence completion you may get a paragraph or you may get normal sentences and you have to fill the answers. Guys, let's proceed to the question now. There's one passage that is visible on your screen. Now after reading this passage, there will be questions set that will appear again on the screen. Now if you see that in the question, the first step, I can see 71. That is a very prominent number and something catchy which I can easily locate in my passage. So rather than reading the complete passage, this is what I will do. I will pick up the number 71 and try to see where all 71 is coming in the passage. Now coming to this screen, as you see, I have marked it. I found out the number 71. I tried to read above 2 lines and below 2 lines. And while I read above 71, I figured out my answer lies there, before 71. And I filled up the question, I filled up my answer from that statement, and I proceeded to the next question. This is how you need to do also. There might be some catchy words for you to make the process easy. Sometimes you might not get any such clue, any such word. In that case, you have to start reading the passage from the beginning. I hope this is clear to you. It was quite simple and short, so you need not apply a lot of brains, a lot of strategies to deal with them. It is quite simple. Just follow the 2 requisites that I have shared with you, and that's it. You will be able to crack this question. Good luck for your practice and stay tuned to my more videos.